everyone. I am so excited for this $1 haul. It's a small box, but there are good things inside here. I can't believe the deals that I got, and I want to show them to you. If you've never shopped at $1, there is a link for you in the video description so you can check it out. But my kids are due home in just a second, and I know my son is going to freak out when he sees one of the things I got in here. And then I also have some things for my daughter, so that I'm going to put in her stocking. Yes, I am thinking of Christmas. So let me show you. Always need pens in our house. I've gotten some great deals on highlighters and pens. These are Papermate Inkjoy. There's 10 pens in here. These were $2, ballpoint pens. So I picked up 2 packages of those. Then my daughter is a big New Jersey Devils fan. This is a flashlight. It's a National Hockey League licensed product. So I know she lives in the city. This would be great. And it has, let me see, there's a little, is that a plug there? Hang on. Oh, there's a little strap where she can put it. There's a lanyard included. Okay, it's water resistant. Has a durable aluminum body, lasts for more than 100,000 hours, 9 high-powered super bright LEDs, includes 3 AAA batteries, so excellent, and she will love that. So that's going to go in her stocking. That was, I think that was $3 for, you know, the logoed flashlight. And I also got her this, again, an official NHL product. It's a little clutch. And, you know, she likes to carry little things like this, especially if she goes to the game, so she could put that in there and a couple of other essentials. And this was, I don't know, it wasn't more than $4. It might have been $3, or I don't know. Very durable pouch. It's lined with a pink. Inside it says Little Earth Productions, accessories for the fashionable fan. And then there's a website. Has a little pocket in here, and you know, she could slip a cell phone in here. Has a little wrist strap, and I know she's gonna love this. I know she's gonna love that. So two little presents there. She just got a big promotion at work. Maybe I should send her down a little care package. She'd like that too. I might just do that, just send her down some things. Then my son is going to flip for these. Could not believe these. My son is a goalie. He's 11, but we bought him Adidas gloves, you know, at the beginning of the season, and they were like, I don't know, close to $20 at Dick's or something. And they're not like these. They didn't come in a nice little bag like this or anything. But I saw these for $6, and then I quickly checked them online, and they were selling for as much as $44. And I'm not talking about like on eBay or something. They were in other retail sporting goods stores. So he is going to flip when he sees these. That's why I wanted to do the haul. These are really good quality. I wish they just finished undefeated, so I can't say anything about anything, but I wish he would have had these to play with during the season, but he'll use them next season. These are much different than his other gloves. It's a Pro Stopper, and then we have this to adjust for the hands. He loves the color green, so these are great. He's gonna love these. $6. Okay, and they go back in the package. So that's great. Okay, I'll just put those right there. So lots of sports stuff. Okay, and then I showed you those rain pants. They say Gander brand. I wonder if these are from Gander Mountain. I don't know if all the Gander Mountains went out of business, but I know one by us did, and so I'm not sure. But these are the medium weight, the bib pants, and like I said, all kinds of things, especially we've been having so much rain and you're working outside. These are such a great quality. They're not like a little flimsy thing. They're really a great quality. So I picked those up, another pair, because my husband wanted one, and they were $4. Okay, then I picked up another set of these Radiance string lights because they were still offering one set for $1. They might have raised the price on that now, I'm not sure, but it was one per order, so I got another set of them. They are so nice. I showed you them in the last video, so I'll link that here at the end and you can take a look at these in action. But these are those copper string lights. I'm just trying to look for my, I had a knife here, I don't know what I did with it. If you've never shopped at Dollar One and you love bargains, you've got to try Dollar One. I'll put a link in the video description. These are these lights. I think there's 33 feet of them. They're so nice. They have so many different functions with the remote. Okay, they're good for the holiday. They're white lights. You can use them for the holidays. You can use them any time of the year. You can put them in mason jars. You can put them all around. They're okay indoors or out. It's a 5-foot adapter cord and 33 feet of lighting wire, 100 individual LEDs. Go back to my video. I showed you how these work and everything. Great, great, great. Can't say enough about them. These are wonderful lights. Then I picked up these two scratch removal towels. These are auto with polishing compound to remove fine scratches, or they will remove fine scratches after sanding wood furniture. We're always doing things around the house. These are made by My Ride. They're detail. My son is always detailing everything. And so I figured I'll try these. Calderon Textiles in Indianapolis and Indiana. So towels must be paired with a chemical for expected results. So it says your favorite cleaner. All right, so I've got that, and those were, I think, $2. And then this was it said it was a delicate surface masking tape. It's like a painter's tape for delicate surfaces, and it was $1. And this is really good because if you're working with something thin like crafts, it's already nice and thin for you. It's a nice roll, and this was $1. So yes, I picked that stuff up. I love Dollar One. Check it out, guys, please, and let me know what you like best. Check out my other Dollar One that I just put up, because between the two of them, you're gonna see a lot of great things. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.